For complete study materials and other assistance, contact Nursing Mantra through WhatsApp on 971502515717. Question number 1. Which of the following considered an abnormal finding in the initial assessment of a post-operative patient? A. Temp 37.5. B. Capillary refill 3 second. C. Faint bowel tones. D. Urinary output less than 25 milliliters HR. The answer is D. Urinary output less than 25 milliliters HR. Question number 2. What is the route of administration should be used to administer calcitonin to hypocalcemic patient? A. Intradermal. B. Inhalation. C. Intramuscular. D. Subcutaneous. The answer is C. Intramuscular. Question number 3. Which common sign of fluid volume deficit? A. Dry skin. B. Dark colored skin. C. Thirst. D. Dry tongue and lips. The answer is D. Dry tongue and lips. Question number 4. Patient is receiving narcotic analgesics for pain management. Which of the following observation indicate that the nurse should monitor overdose? A. Drowsy and lethargic. Falls asleep while speaking. B. States pain rating is 1 to 2 on a pain scale of 0 to 10. C. Appears tired, easily aroused. D. Respiration 18 bpm, deep and regular. The answer is A. Drowsy and lethargic. Falls asleep while speaking. Question number 5. Male patient has been diagnosed with croup. What instructions would the nurse give his parents as they prepare to go home with their A. Ensure scheduled antibiotic therapy. B. Encourage deep breathing and coughing exercise every 4 hours. C. Run a cool mist vaporizer in his room when he sleeps. D. Perform percussion and postural drainage before bedtime. The answer is C. Run a cool mist vaporizer in his room when he sleeps. Question number 6. Which of the following disorder characterized by lack of interest in social interaction and repetitive patterns of behavior? A. Autism. B. Conduct disorder. C. Dyslexia. D. Attention defect disorder. The answer is A. Autism. Question number 7. Patient on warfarin. Which statement by the patient indicates the need for further instruction? A. I will use electrical razor when shaving. B. I will need to have periodic blood coagulation test. C. I will check my skin to see if I'm bruising more easily. D. I will expect my urine to be dark brown. The answer is D. I will expect my urine to be dark brown. Question number 8. Early signs and symptoms of rejection following kidney transplant do not include A. Colicky pain. B. Fever. C. Peripheral edema. D. Weight gain. The answer is B. Fever. Question number 9. An insulin-dependent diabetic patient presents for a routine checkup. Which of the following symptoms are suggestive of progress retinopathy? A. Severe headache. B. Difficulty in reading. C. Floaters or flashing lights. D. Irritation or watering of the eyes. The answer is C. Floaters or flashing lights. Question number 10. Which is the most likely early manifestation of cataract? A. Blurry vision. B. Blaming eyes. C. Loss of peripheral vision. D. Seeing halos around lights. The answer is A. Blurry vision. Thank you for watching. For complete study materials and other assistance, contact Nursing Mantra through WhatsApp on 971502515717. Stay tuned for more videos.